All right, guys, back tonight. We're gonna do a little bit of talking, a lot of lifting. It's gonna show you what I do, typical back day, give you a few pointers in between sets, talk about some of the reasons behind the techniques. Hopefully you guys can have a couple takeaways, but it's just gonna be a grit and lift kind of session, so enjoy. So the point of sitting off of the seat is it actually puts you at a further distance from the cable. A lot of times people will sit on seats all the way forward, lean back real far, takes away from the lats. Sitting on the knees here, being further away, has your elbows pulling down more. So it's gonna have more of a lower lat engagement. Plus, not being supported really also kind of inhibits you from using a lot of momentum with your body. So it's definitely an effective variation of this movement. So these are dead stop barbell rows. Point of these gets rid of any kind of momentum that you're going to create, any kind of energy. So every time you hit the rack, you stay tight. Creates a consistency amongst the reps. So if you're doing 4 or 5 of these, you might find yourself doing 315. We're about ready to hit some chest supported T-bars. This is a good movement in my opinion. If you have a bad lower back, it's nice, really keeps your form honest, but doesn't beat the bread and butter old school T-bar row, but this is a really good piece when you're consistent with it. So we're gonna go high grip and hit more across the middle of the back. I'll go anywhere from 5 to 6 plates on this. Do a drop set at the end. So good movement. So these are hammer rows. Good thing about this piece, guys, you have a lot of different options on the handles. Every position, put your elbow in a different angle, a different path, which is gonna target your back a little bit differently. The way I'm gonna do these today is gonna be like a 1-arm row variation. And I'll be standing further back with my shoulder all the way forward. And it's gonna be a real short range, just driving my elbow down, which is gonna target the lower lat. So it's not gonna look like much, but when you do it right, it's a killer. So cable rows here, nothing fancy, nothing special, guys. Although I am using this handle as the rotating grips, and the way I have my hands positioned are pinkies inward. So it's gonna be able to allow me to kind of have more of a reverse grip, like underhand rowing motion, which can have lower lats. Again, a little shorter range of motion here. Go for 10, 12 reps. Go a little bit heavier as we go. All right, guys, this is a good finisher here. Straight arm pull down. I use the rope. It's a good variation to the dumbbell pullover. The biggest thing I would say that's important on these is keeping your elbows rotated out, and rather than going up, push the weight away from you. You'll see during the set that my lats are gonna stretch more as I push the weight away from me, and a lot more engagement the initial part of the movement.